Okay, hey you guys, I am so excited to present this beautiful, gorgeous affirmation card to you. And I want to show you how you can download it and make it as your wallpaper. So I like to do it as a call background. As you can see, that's the bottom option. And that's what I chose. So all you have to do is click that and then it'll show you a preview. I have Android, by the way. Then you go ahead and click set as background or wallpaper, and it'll let you know that it has been applied. And I'm just dialing the number 1 right here just to show you how it works and how it will look. It looks so beautiful and chic and gorgeous and just reminds you every day that you are worthy of wealth. You are worthy of everything that you desire, okay? Never forget it. Never forget it. And the website is cuteaffirmations.com. You can download it for only $1. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye.